How to make money with Bitcoin. Have you been wondering how to make money with Bitcoin and the best ways to achieve that? In this video we will try to help you. There are so many popular ways of earning money with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a new currency created in 2009. With Bitcoin, there are no middlemen, meaning no banks. No need of mentioning your real name and no transaction fees are charged. We are going to discuss 6 of the most popular ways of how to make money with Bitcoin. Top ways to make money with Bitcoin. Here are the best ways to make money with Bitcoin. 1. Trading your Bitcoins. Bitcoin trading simply involves buying and selling of Bitcoin. You buy Bitcoin when it is low and sell it when the price is up. This is done with the help of brokers. Brokers are applications in companies that act as middlemen in the transaction. There are many market instruments offered by the brokers. You can learn and master how to trade your Bitcoins in the comfort of your living room. Making money trading Bitcoins only require you to open an account with the brokers, then you are set to earn more money or even more Bitcoin. 2. Gambling. If you are lucky, you can make some money. Maybe you are familiar with online casinos. You can try. The easy, quick and straightforward is to play a game you are familiar with and earn some money. It may not be the best way of earning Bitcoins, but it has been proven to be the one of the fastest ways if you are good at it. You can earn 1,000 of Bitcoins just from hundreds at your favorite casino with live dealers in the comfort of your room. 3. Invest your Bitcoins and make more. Apart from trading your Bitcoins, you can invest them by saving in Bitcoin saving accounts. There are companies which let you open accounts and save your Bitcoins. With such investments, your Bitcoins will not only increase in their value, but you will also earn more with your dormant coins. 4. Freelance to earn Bitcoins. If you got some skills, you could trade them for Bitcoin. For instance, you could write for blogs or websites, especially the new ones, in exchange for Bitcoins. Depending on how professional you are, and how skilled you are, you can earn hundreds of Bitcoin for your skills. You will be amazed how many people online are willing to offer you Bitcoin for a task. 5. Bitcoin faucets. A Bitcoin faucet is a website that gives away small amounts of Bitcoins to its users. In turn, the owners make money by putting ads on their websites and pay people who visit their websites to see the ads and do complete surveys. This kind of industry sums up to 50% of the traffic of Bitcoin websites today. In faucets, once you invite someone to their website, you earn some Bitcoins. Some of the popular Bitcoin faucets include Free Bitcoin, Cointoply, Moonbit and more. 6. Mine your Bitcoins. Bitcoin is not like paper money where producing more into circulation only lands in the hands of the central bank. Bitcoin can also be mined by everybody. This means that you have the control of creating money on your own through mining, which entails high configuration computers and software that are specialized. Mining of Bitcoin is a simple act of using a particular software in solving complex and hard mathematical problems to be paid a certain amount of Bitcoin for each task. You can also choose to mine the Bitcoin yourself. However, it becomes expensive as Bitcoin value continue to grow and cost of electricity rises as well. Cloud mining, on the other hand, offers a chance to those who can't afford to run this software on specialized hardware by themselves. Thank you for watching this. If you find this video informative, do like and subscribe and let us know in the comment below about sharing your thought in this. See you in the next video, and until then stay tuned to aid the student.